Welcome back to X Factor, ang ating number 1 contestant. Anong pangalan mo?
Marie Cherry po.
Anong kakantayan mo para sa amin?
Bring Me to Life by Evanescence.
Wow! Mag-expect kami ng maganda yan, ha? Sige, mga kapamilya, si Marie.
How can you see into my eyes like open door, leading you down into my core, where I become so numb without a soul. My spirit sleeping somewhere cold until you find it there and lead it back home. Wake me up inside, wake me up inside.